everyone! Welcome back to our channel. You've come to the right spot if you're looking for ideas for designing and decorating your home. This video will offer a variety of imaginative and motivational suggestions for enhancing the coziness, style, and personality of your home. In order to avoid missing any more intriguing ideas, make sure you watch through to the end and remember to subscribe. Let's begin. Functional and clutter-free layout. Imagine stepping into a small bedroom designed with absolute simplicity in mind. The furniture is multifunctional. A sleek platform bed with built-in drawers beneath, and a wall-mounted desk that doubles as a nightstand. The color palette is soothingly neutral. Soft whites, warm beiges, and muted grays. The walls are adorned with a single minimalist artwork, and the room is illuminated by a modern pendant light, casting a soft glow. Every element has a purpose, creating a space free from clutter yet brimming with functionality. Natural and light materials. In this cozy retreat, the focus is on natural textures and light tones. A low-profile wooden bed frame sits on a light-washed floor, flanked by simple, unadorned nightstands. A large window allows natural light to flood in, filtered through sheer curtains. Vertical storage solutions, such as a tall, slim bookshelf, provide ample organization without overwhelming the space. The room is accented with subtle linen throws and soft beige pillows, creating a harmonious blend of practicality and tranquility. Built-in and floating elements. A compact yet luxurious bedroom is achieved by utilizing built-in and floating elements. The bed is flanked by floating nightstands, giving the illusion of more floor space. Above the bed, a wall-mounted storage unit with hidden compartments offers a place for essentials while maintaining the clean aesthetic. The room features a warm lighting scheme, with LED strips subtly tucked under shelves and a soft glow pendant overhead. Neutral hues dominate, while hints of deep green from a small indoor plant add a refreshing touch. Monochrome minimalism. The room is a bold statement in black and white, where the contrast creates an elegant and modern vibe. A white bed with crisp, clean linens is paired with a black headboard and matching floating shelves. A geometric black and white rug anchors the space, while monochrome artwork adorns the walls. The lighting is minimal, with a sleek floor lamp casting warm light to balance the starkness. Every piece of furniture and decor is carefully curated, ensuring functionality aligns perfectly with aesthetics. Space optimization with foldaway features. This bedroom is a masterclass in space optimization. A foldaway bed retracts neatly into the wall, revealing a hidden workspace with a compact desk and shelves. Wall-mounted shelves with concealed lighting provide additional storage and ambience. The flooring is kept neutral with a light gray carpet, and the walls are painted a soft cream. Subtle touches, such as a small potted plant and a single framed photo, add personality without disrupting the minimalist vibe. Nature-inspired retreat. Step into a serene space where nature's elements dominate. The room features light wooden furniture, including a platform bed and a compact wardrobe. Indoor plants, such as a snake plant and a small fiddle leaf fig, bring a sense of life and freshness. The walls are painted in soft earth tones, complementing the natural materials. The bedding is neutral but layered with textured throws and cushions. A woven jute rug ties the space together, creating a cozy, grounded feel. Modern sleekness with glass and metal accents. This minimalist small bedroom combines sleek modernity with subtle warmth. A platform bed with a matte black frame is paired with a wooden-topped nightstand. Above the bed, a linear metal wall sconce provides ambient lighting. The color scheme is kept cool with grays and whites, while the occasional reflective surface, like a frameless mirror, adds depth. A wooden or glass partition separates a small dressing area, and a single black and white photograph adds understated elegance. Cozy elegance with textured details. This small bedroom design balances minimalism with a touch of comfort. The neutral-toned bed is complemented by neatly layered, textured linens and plush pillows. The focal point is a wardrobe with a simple, sleek frame, and a study desk that not only adds functionality but also visually enlarges the space. The walls are bare except for floating shelves that display a few carefully selected decorative items. The warm wood flooring contrasts with a soft cream carpet, creating a harmonious yet inviting atmosphere. Efficient use of small space. This small bedroom makes the most of its small dimensions with clever design choices. A platform bed with hidden drawers provides storage, while a compact desk tucked into the corner serves as a functional workspace. Above the desk, floating shelves hold books and decorative items, keeping the floor area open. A sliding wardrobe door saves precious space, and the room is kept light and airy with a palette of whites and light grays. A single potted plant and an abstract artwork add subtle personality without overwhelming the minimalist design.